Reviews are pouring in for the latest iPhone, and the excitement is real. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation, bringing a fresh design, stunning colors, and powerful hardware to the table. This time, a unique green and red variant has sparked conversations among Apple enthusiasts. With a sleek matte finish and a refined aluminum frame, the phone not only looks premium but feels incredible in hand. The camera system has been significantly improved, allowing for better low-light shots and sharper zoom capabilities. Users have praised the device for its vibrant display, outstanding battery life, and smooth software experience, making it a must-have upgrade for Apple fans. Diving into the details, the new iPhone features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, providing deeper blacks and vibrant colors that make every image pop. The 48MP main camera with sensor-shift stabilization ensures pro-level photography, while the 12MP ultra-wide and telephoto lenses add versatility. The new A17 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process, delivers remarkable efficiency and power, making multitasking a breeze. The phone supports iOS 17 out of the box, bringing new customization options, enhanced privacy features, and improved AI-driven functionalities. Apple's commitment to sustainability is evident, with a body made from 75% recycled materials and reduced carbon footprint packaging. Connectivity and other features take the iPhone experience to a whole new level. Apple has incorporated Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring faster and more stable internet speeds. The inclusion of USB-C is a game changer, allowing for universal compatibility with a wide range of accessories and faster data transfers. Satellite connectivity for emergency SOS remains a highlight, offering a crucial lifeline in remote areas. MagSafe technology has been enhanced for better charging speeds and accessory integration. Face ID is now even faster, making unlocking seamless. The device is also rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability and peace of mind in everyday use. Price is always a key factor, and Apple has maintained a competitive stance. The base model starts at $999, while the Pro Max version, offering an exclusive periscope zoom lens, begins at $1,199. With various storage options ranging from 128GB to 1TB, users can choose the best fit for their needs. Carrier discounts and trade-in offers make upgrading more affordable, with some deals allowing customers to get the latest iPhone at a fraction of the cost. For those looking for premium quality, cutting-edge features, and a seamless ecosystem, the price feels justified given the high-end performance and long-term software support Apple provides. Performance-wise, the new iPhone leaves competitors in the dust. Benchmarks show that the A17 Pro chip outperforms the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in both CPU and GPU tasks, making gaming and high-performance applications run effortlessly. The 120Hz ProMotion display ensures fluid scrolling and lag-free interactions. Battery life is another major win, with up to 28 hours of video playback on the Pro Max model. Early leaks suggested impressive upgrades, and Apple delivered on its promises. Reports claim that Apple is already working on next-gen improvements, but for now, this iPhone remains the gold standard in the industry. Stay tuned to Tech Vibe for more updates on Apple's latest innovations.